So it's officially fall and it's time for a new color. Let me show you how to do this right at home. So I'm going to leave the name, the brand, and the colors that I'm using on the screen. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your hair is detangled and sectioned into fours. I'm applying my color to the mid shaft to ends only first because that is the oldest part of the hair and you want to make sure that the hair is going to color properly. If I were to put this right on my roots, it would be a little bit too bright and too hot, and you want everything to blend evenly. And it's also important that you take your time and saturate the mid shaft to ends to make sure that the hair is fully saturated. After you finish each section that way, then you want to go in and apply to the roots, not directly on the scalp. Remember, you want this to look natural. Now I do have a blonde little skunk piece that I keep colored, so I'm going to apply a little bit of lightener to that area, and it is going to be closer to the root because that's really all of the new growth. And I did apply a little bit to my eyebrows, you know, just to lighten it up. But hey, my dog Jodeci. Okay, after that part has lightened, I'm going to go in with a demi-permanent color. I'm also going to leave that color on the screen as well. Okay, I've deep conditioned, I have shampooed, I blow dried, and this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Not even in the light yet, but I know it's going to be popping. So I'm just going in and making sure that everything is as straight as possible. Then I'm taking my nano titanium plates. They are 1 inch, and I'm going in with 1 to 2 passes. And yes, I do 1 to 2 passes because that's just me. But you see the shine, and I also did not leave any leave-in conditioner. This is just straight from the deep conditioner. You see the shine. And I'm just going to do a few pin curls. Like I said before, I don't like it to be super uniform. It doesn't have to be. Just go in and make sure that when you're using the iron that you are pulling it straight through nice and evenly. This will make sure that your bounce back, you know, the fluffiness after you take out the pin curls is going to, you know, hit. And I'm already loving the color. Do you see the dimensions? Like, do you just ooh, goodness. And you really want to take your time with this. I like to go in a forward motion in the front curls just for extra volume, but you can do as you wish. You can do it back, you can do it forward, whatever you want to do. Then after that's completely finished, I'm gonna go in and put the pin curl in, and then voila magic. This is what I'm talking about. This color is going to be everything for the fall. Make sure you save this. Let me know what you think.